Denison's Extreme PPF, we make sure that protection meets perfection, even with the uniqueness of the Tesla Cybertruck. For this project, we partnered with Clean & Boys, one of Avery Denison's dealers here in Quezon City, in doing the necessary surface preparations before PPF installation. You think? Kasi obviously very unique, no? Good thing it's flat surface.
Yeah.
Pero yung material is different and not many people have done this in the Philippines. Ano tingin mo kailangan natin gawin here?
Definitely. So, yung pinaka-importante dito, especially kung magkakabit tayo ng PPF, is yung preparation for it. And dahil stainless steel kasi yung buong material natin, medyo maging iba lang yung chemicals na gamit natin kasi most ng mga chemicals natin for detailing was made for painted surfaces.
Correct, yes.
So, ayun. Acid rain removal, pwede natin i-scratch sa chemicals natin kasi baka ma-damage yung pinaka-stainless steel natin. Meron tayo nakitang mga soft cleansers na made for stainless steel. Actually, uniquely, makikita mo siya sa kitchenware or sa mga panglinis ng kitchen. So, yun yung possible na pwede natin gamitin dito. So, ayan, kung manonotice mo, ang isa sa mga issues natin dito sa stainless steel is kitang-kita agad kasi yung mga fingerprints.
No? Yeah, oh, it's all around there.
Ayan. So, ayan, isang issue natin dito is kapag hinawakan mo siya, kitang-kita agad yung mga fingerprints niya.
Oh, yeah.
So, ayan. So, ayan, issue talaga yan sa mga stainless steel. So, if lagyan natin siya ng PPF, malaki yung chance na malilesen natin yung mga ganyang mga issues natin.